what's up, y'all? It's your boy here. I'm actually had already filmed a couple clips here that I'm gonna show next, but I wanted to chime in real quick as an intro leading into the next video. I picked up a rear end that was rebuilt with 373 gears. I don't think I mentioned that in my next clip. So 373 gears, and the whole thing has been rebuilt with new parts. And also came up on some upper and lowers for the rear as well. So that'll be on my next clip. But I wanted to just chime in real quick. Sorry, my voice is a little bit raspy. I'm not sick, but I think I might be losing it. However, my videos are probably going to be a little bit slow as far as uploading and stuff here over the next couple months. Just doing a lot of things, trips, things like that. So I won't be working on my cars as much. I'll be doing some things here and there, but you won't see content as frequently as you probably did. I was only probably uploading maybe once a week anyway as far as videos, but maybe you might have seen some twice a week, but you probably won't see as many. You might see maybe 2 a month or something like that here for the next couple months. Just because I'm kind of just slowing down on working on some things with the car. Wintertime here as well. And my garage isn't that big. I have a covered area in the back, but it gets cold. I have a back room in the back that I'm probably going to turn into a work area. But I'm probably going to be doing a lot more like cleaner stuff in there, stuff like my seats for my Regal and things like that, stuff that doesn't get too dirty, so I'm not bringing grease and stuff in the house. So it's going to be probably a little bit more limited. So if you don't see videos as often here in the future, don't be too worried, because they're going to continue to come, just not as often. So anyways, y'all, stay tuned. The next clips here will be, again, my rear end that I picked up. I picked it up on the low, y'all. I picked it up on the low. I'm talking like really cheap, especially for the work that's been done to it. I mean, all new ring and pinion, new everything, bearings, like all that, axles, upgraded axles, everything. It came out of a 94 Caprice that the guy had rebuilt the rear end for his setup. Kept the car, put a different rear end in it, and sold the car for really cheap to one of his buddies. And then he also had an extra set of Hotchkiss upper and lowers for the rear that he wasn't using and never used, and so he sold those to me for pretty cheap as well too. He was just basically, he had so many parts in his garage, y'all, it was insane. Even a couple, like 3 LS engines, a few transmissions, and just all kinds of stuff. He's a machine worker by trade, but does some engine stuff on the side. So he had a lot of stuff. So I'm glad I met him, came up on him. Anyways, enough rambling. I actually got to go because I got to go pack. I'm leaving the country here. Going on my birthday here is actually next week, or as was today, Sunday, so it's actually this week. My girl surprised me on a trip, and we're going somewhere to the beach, and it's a much needed vacation. So anyways, y'all, I'll holla at y'all. Enjoy these next clips, and we'll talk to y'all soon. Peace out. What I wanted to show you is I picked up this rear end. It was actually on a 94 Caprice, the bubble style Caprice, but the guy actually upgraded it with all new internals. I mean, a new posi, new rear gears, ring and pinion. I mean, everything inside is new, and I'll show a picture of it, of the inside with the cover off. New axles. It's a 5x5 bolt pattern, so I'll have to either get new back wheels or change the bolt pattern in the front. But yeah, it's all ready to go, set up. So sometime down the road when I install it, I'm gonna clean it up, paint it and everything, and but it's already good to go. So I picked this up really cheap, man. The guy was just trying to clear out some space in his garage, and sold the car but kept the rear end, and I just wanted to make a little bit of money back. So I picked it up for the low, so that was good. He actually also had some upper and lower rear control arms as well, and I'll show a quick video on that too. But yeah, y'all, it's coming together, man. So all that power that I've been putting out on that Caprice will now actually be fully put to the ground, so that'll be awesome. So let me cut to the video on the upper and lowers, and I'll be right back. All right, y'all, so here's my upper and lowers here for the rear. Brand new. I think the guy actually got them from a different buddy of his. who never used them. He actually just bolted them on just for test fitting purposes. So they have been bolted on, but never have been drove on, to my understanding. So I think this whole setup here might be somewhere about between $600 and $700, maybe more. I'm not quite sure, but when we were looking at pricing, I guess they don't make this particular kit anymore for the Caprice, to my knowledge, as far as what we were researching, but they still might have it out there. However, the prices that we were kind of coming up with was about $600-700. So I actually got these for well under half the price. He was just looking, like I said, to clear out some space, and I kind of came up on these just by accident. And this was actually going to be my next purchase, some upper and lowers for the rear after I got my new rear end. So that actually worked out pretty damn good, y'all. So and again, they're all Hotchkiss. He actually had some sway bars as well, but he had already sold them. But they were there, so I got to see them. But that'll probably be my next purchase, just maybe a sway bar or something that I can tag along with these, man. So yeah, we coming, y'all. We coming. 2019 is gonna be something with that new rear end setup, the sunroof. I'm gonna have AC in it. Probably gonna upgrade my stereo deck as well. And shoot, man, we coming. So it's about to go down, y'all. And then keep adding a few things here and there, and we're gonna be good to go. So anyways, y'all, like I said, I got to get ready for this trip. I just wanted to chime in real quick and let y'all know what I got. So I'll keep you updated as we go, and be on the lookout for more here in the future. All right, y'all. Peace out. Deuces. Devastating.